Hey, Russo, Sis. This one's for my fam working hard every day, from the 9 to 5 grind to the weekend getaway.
Aua Le Popole, just live it up, enjoy the ride.
Cause life's too short to let the stress collide. Let's go!
Aua Le Popole,
Don't worry!
Aua Le Popole, feel the vibe. Monday to Friday, we hustle to survive. Hustle to survive. But when the weekend hits, we come alive.
Oh yeah, that's how we do it. Work hard, play hard. Let's go, fam. Wait. Monday morning, alarm clock screaming. Coffee in my hand, but my soul still dreaming. Push through the grind, yeah, I'm keeping it tight. For my village, my culture, I'm fighting the fight. Tuesday to Thursday, it's the same old story, but I keep my head high, chase that glory. Friday night, that's when we shine. Turn the music up, hit the blunt, it's our time. From the grind to the folly, we making it work. Some more hustle, yeah, we never shirk. So when the weekend comes, we let it all go. Aua Le Popole, just let the good time flow.
Don't worry, Aua Le Popole, feel the vibe, feel the vibe. Monday to Friday, we hustle to survive. Hustle to survive. But when the weekend hits, we come alive.
Saturday morning, sun's up, we rise. Barbecue, smoking, music up high. Family gathering, laughter in the air. Siva and music, we ain't gotta care. Sunday vibes, we're still going strong. Church in the morning, then we sing our song. Grateful for the week, for the blessings we got. But we know tomorrow is back to the plot. So tonight, we live like there's no end. Dance like nobody's watching with my island fam. No